Alright, I got something from the thrift store. I probably shouldn't have bought it. It's called a Holy Stone. It's $49. It's a foldable drone. I think maybe the camera might be broken. You can tell they crashed it. So, it's listed as a Holy Stone 105. There's also some other model number that it comes up as. I just don't know if that's normal. And I'm seriously afraid to try and fire it up. It comes with these 2 batteries. They're pretty good size. They look really proprietary, which I don't like. I don't know what kind of battery this thing takes. So it has GPS, which is pretty important. For some reason, this knob is like really, really hard to move. It has a phone holder or whatever, like I don't know. To me, it doesn't look like it would fit very well. But I'm pretty sure you gotta have a license for this one. I'm just not real sure. It's complicated. There's a lot of crap. So I've been trying to read the manual. It's got like this crazy charger for the batteries. I don't like this, but I suppose it's like all the DJIs are probably this way. So the manual's pretty damn thick. So I downloaded the app, and that's about as far as I've gotten. So I've read about a little bit of it. There's a TF card that you put in it. It looks like it takes double A's. 2 double A's. So what it tells you to do is launch the Go app and then pair it and do this and do that. Calibrate the compass. Says you can lock the motor. What I want to do is see if I can adjust the camera. Low voltage return home. Optical flow positioning. There's just a lot of stuff on this. I probably shouldn't have bought it. It's too damn fucking complicated for me. Point of interest, headless mode. I don't know what that is. Tail, head, tail. I don't know what headless mode is. While in headless mode, pushing forward on the joystick will make it fly in the direction that the head of the drone faces at takeoff. To make sure that the pilot can tell the drone's direction, we recommend the pilot stays facing the same direction that the drone's head faces at takeoff. By doing so, it ensures that when the pilot pushes the direction joystick forward and backward, the drone will fly forward and backward towards him or her. If the pilot moves to left and right, it will go left and right. Alright, I don't know. Okay, the point of interest. Click the icon and follow the prompt box. The drone will record its flight position the moment you enter this function. The drone will now continuously circle clockwise around the preset point. The default radius is 16 feet. Okay. Interesting. Tap fly. Take a photo or video. I just want to use this to film with, and if the camera's bad, I want to know. And I almost think the camera probably is not going to adjust. I think it took a hit and got broken. That's the whole thing right there in English. The rest is other languages. The card in here. So, I don't know. There's another little camera right here. It's just I can see the marks here, and I'm like, should this be able to move? I don't know. Not sure. It feels pretty solid. It weighs more than the battery, actually. It's not particularly light. So I don't know. I don't know what to do with it.